Hey everyone, let's take a quick look at how to use your Toffu subscription and get the most out of your membership. So, after you purchase your subscription, you'll see a little reward button at the bottom right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Here, you'll find your points balance, and to use them, just switch over to the Redeem Points tab. Then choose the Points for Discounts option. Now you can decide how many points you want to turn into a discount. Just a heads up, these discounts can only be used in the monthly asset library, which gets updated with brand new assets every month. So definitely worth checking in regularly. Once you've selected your discount, you'll get a coupon code. Just hit the Apply Coupon Now button to add it to your checkout automatically. Then, head over to the monthly asset library, add the assets you want to your cart, and go to checkout. You'll see that the prices are now free. No credit card needed, no extra steps. After your order goes through, you'll be able to download everything straight from your orders page. And that's it. Simple, quick, and super useful, especially if you're keeping up with the latest drops.